Hello Earth citizens! In this video, I'm going to show you a 10-minute routine to jumpstart your day. I know, myself included, it's not always easy to wake up and have all this energy, especially in the morning. So try this exercise if you're someone who has a little bit of a later start, harder time to get the energy going at the beginning of the day. All right, so we're gonna start with our feet shoulder width apart, and let's first loosen up our spine. So go ahead and twist your spine. First, look at your heels. This will loosen up your lower back. Look at your heels. Let your arms completely relax and just swing. And breathe naturally. And now to the middle of your chest. Look at your fingertips. This engages your middle back. Open up your middle back right behind your heart area. And here, if you feel stuffy, please breathe out. And now up overhead. Look at your fingertips here too. You will feel it in your upper back and shoulders. Can you feel your shoulders? I love my shoulders. Back towards the middle. And slowly bring your arms downward. Coming back to center. Bring your palms facing upward. Take a deep breath in as if you are drinking oxygen into your nose. And breathe out through your mouth. Push down all heavy energy to the ground. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. Now clasp your hands and stretch up. Stretch your arms up so your elbows are straight. Not like this, but straight. As if you're elongating your spine and body. Stretch up, 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 up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now stay there, and now we're gonna come up onto our heel, on our toes. So lift your heels and stand on your toes. Elongate yourself a little bit more. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel comes down, and now turn your body to the right side. Look up at the ceiling. Feel the stretch. This opens your lungs to get oxygen flowing through your body. Your body wakes up when you have oxygen flowing in your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now other side. Look up at the ceiling. You might feel some stiffness, some tension. It's okay. Just breathe. Whoo. Feel your body. You don't have to think about anything. Just feel the stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and return. And now we're gonna bend forward. Keep your back as flat as you can. So like this. As flat as you can, pulling your tailbone back. Straight. Stretch your spine. You can do a little shake, 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 shake. Great job. Now 45 degrees downward. Feel your back. Feel your spine. The key to waking up your body is loosening up the tension in your spine. And now come down to the center. Touch the floor. If you need to open your legs more, please do so. Touch the floor, but keep your head forward. Keep your head forward. And rock forward and back. Forward and back. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs and your butt. Going all the way to your back, neck, and your head. Great job. Stop. Now hold your elbows. Drop your head and rock side to side. Whew. You will feel this stretch in the inside of your thighs, inside of your legs. Great job. Return to center. Now walk your hands to your left ankle. Hold your left ankle. Drop your head. Feel the stretch in your legs. Again, breathe here naturally. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk your hands to your right ankle. Drop your head. Feel the stretch. And breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. And now bend your knees. And imagine pushing from the bottom of your feet. And roll your spine slowly. And let your head come off less. Great job. Shake it out. Shake, shake, shake. And twist your waist. And stop. Now we're gonna wake our body up a little bit more by tapping the chest. It's very important there's two things actually to waking your body up. If you feel constant fatigue, check two things in your body. One, am I circulating oxygen in my body? In other words, am I breathing properly? Or two, is my spine straight? Is my spine tight or loose? If your spine is tight, you will feel a lot of fatigue. So now that we loosened up our body, let's tap our chest. Tap, tap, tap deep into your lungs. Tap your other side too. Tap your shoulders. Tap your abdomen. And now tap your kidneys, your lower back. Tap your lower back. Your butt. Legs. Arms. And now I will give you 30 seconds. Tap wherever your body wants to be tapped. It might be your shoulders. It might be your chest. It might be your back. Wherever. Give love to that area. 10 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Sweep down, sweep. Phew. And one last thing, get your fingers and tap your head. We're gonna tap our head for 20 seconds. Let your fingers drop onto your scalp. Like you're dusting your brain from yesterday's stress, starting the day with a new blank slate. 10 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Brush your hair. Sweep, 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 sweep. Great job. Do you feel more refreshed? Do you feel energy circulating in your body?